Hi, everybody. Today we're going to talk about the word distinguish. What does it mean and how do you do it? This word comes up a lot in test questions. Sometimes it's like, what are they asking me? So we're just going to talk about it. Distinguish normally uses a verb and it means to tell apart. So if you win the lottery, you're going to need to learn to distinguish between people who really like you and people who like your money, right? So how do you know the difference between? How do I tell them apart? I had two friends growing up that were twins, and I learned how to distinguish which one was which because they were identical. But I knew one had a little freckle on her cheek that the other one didn't have. I distinguished the difference. I could tell them apart. How is this word used in school? You will often be asked to distinguish the difference between two things. What makes something or someone stand out? What makes them different? How do you distinguish that? Think about what distinguishes you from your peers. You might name your talents, your interests, your looks, different things like that, right? Like maybe you're a really good drawer and your friend's a great soccer player. Maybe you're really funny, or maybe you're really quiet. That distinguishes you from others. It's how we tell you apart from others. Look at this picture over here of these two birds. Can you distinguish the difference between the two birds? They're both cardinals, both birds, they both fly, right? That's how they're the same, but how can I tell them apart? Well, the male is always distinguished by his red color. So the female's on the left and the male is on the right because what distinguishes the difference is the color of their feathers. The males are red and the females are gray. How well do you get the word? Let's check it out. It's quiz time. Distinguish means to A, tell apart, B, tell negatives, C, name characteristics, or D, say how they are the same. I hope you can distinguish the answer, and the next time this word comes up, you're not going to be confused.